Meet the Amazfit Bip 5 Unity, your ultimate choice for budget-friendly fitness tracker. I am using it from quite some time. Let me share with you what I liked most about this smartwatch. Firstly, the Amazfit Bip 5 Unity has a large 1.91-inch display for easy viewing. It offers decent resolution at 320 into 380 pixels, good enough for clear text and graphics. The display is bright enough for outdoor use and features an anti-fingerprint coating for a clean look. It provides a good balance between clarity and battery efficiency. Leveling up from plastic, the Amazfit Bip 5 Unity has a sophisticated stainless steel frame that feels both stylish and light on your wrist. This premium upgrade complements the large 1.91-inch display, creating a sleek and modern design that punches above its weight class. The Amazfit Bip 5 Unity contains impressive 120 plus sports modes, allowing you to track everything from cycling to swimming. You can see some of sport modes on screen. The Bip 5 Unity automatically detects activities like running, walking, and elliptical training, so you can focus on your workout without fiddling with settings. The Amazfit Bip 5 Unity offers over 100 customizable watch faces. Choose from classic analog designs, digital displays with tons of data, or even funky thematic options. With this variety, you can easily personalize the look of your watch to match your outfit or mood. Plus, the Bip 5 Unity allows you to download additional watch faces to keep your style fresh. Beyond exercise, the Bip 5 Unity monitors your health throughout the day. Keep an eye on your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and stress. Thanks to the built-in BioTracker PPG sensor, while it lacks built-in GPS, it can connect to your phone for location tracking during workouts. But the Bip 5 Unity is not just about fitness. Get notifications for calls, texts, apps, and even set alarms. Plus, with Amazon Alexa built in, use voice commands for added convenience.